first time in Baltimore at the ALOA show was 1983. It was a long time ago. At that time, we were doing about 5 trade shows a year. 30 years later, we do about 30 shows a year. And this is like number 25 or 26 that we participate as Keyline. The industry has changed, has evolved, but we never stop being present and traveling worldwide to introduce our products. We never stop innovation.
My name is Ed Woods, I'm a ALOA instructor. This week I used the 994 in teaching the high security class and was very impressed at how easy and how accurate it cut the keys. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Jeremy from the Master Locksmiths Association of Australasia. I really like Keyline because they listen to the locksmiths. It's the best thing they do. They listen to us and they take our feedback and they make good products. Well done, Keyline.
Hola, mi nombre es Humberto Villegas, vengo de Guadalajara, México, de la compañía Alza Mexicana y también soy parte del consejo directivo de ALOA. Somos distribuidores de Keyline en México y estamos muy orgullosos de serlo. Son productos de muy alta calidad, con un gran respaldo técnico y nuestros clientes están muy satisfechos con ello. Estamos muy contentos de ver a nuestros amigos Bianchi aquí en esta exposición en Baltimore y les recomendamos mucho conocer de esta línea de productos. Gracias.
Take it easy.
Hi, my name is Richard Rowan. Keyline is a great company that I bought this machine from. We've used it now for approximately 2 years, and we cut thousands and thousands of keys. Never goes wrong. Easy, very easy to change the blades on. It's great as far as setting it back up, calibrating it. All my guys find it very easy. In fact, I have a secretary, even she uses it. So we love the machine.
Hi, I'm Brad Volpe, and I'm here at ALOA 2013 looking at all these beautiful key machines. I personally have known Massimo Bianchi for about 20 years, and Keyline is offering some incredible key machines, which I own 3 as it is. The 303 for duplicating high security keys. And I just got through having a demonstration on the Ninja, which is an amazing key machine. Cuts by code, storage retrieval, several different things, just about anything you want in a key machine, from duplication to code, and along with other products they have.
はい、こんにちは。アロアインターナショナルディレクターの鈴木です。今回この、アロアの展示会、キーライン出展をおめでとうございます。日本でも非常にキーラインの商品は、幅広く普及してきております。これからますます勉強を広げるために、大いに参加をしていただきながら、広めていっていただきたいと思います。どうぞよろしくお願いします。Thank you.
Buongiorno a tutti, sono in America, Baltimore, ALOA 2014. L'America è in ripresa e i segnali si vedono anche nel nostro settore. Sono molto orgogliosa del nostro team Keyline USA, ma soprattutto sono orgogliosa di come i locksmith americani stanno riconoscendo il nostro made in Italy e i nostri prodotti attraverso la professionalità, serietà e affidabilità. Vi aspetto tutti il prossimo anno in Louisiana. Un abbraccio.